Okay, I'm gonna shoot a little video of the little storm we are having. It's kind of been hanging around for a couple days. Anyway, it's kind of weird. I don't know if you can pick this up on the camera, but that would be blue sky. And again, I don't know if you can catch it, but it's snowing. I guess that's a legitimate snowstorm when it's snowing, when there's blue sky around. But some of the drifts that we got hanging around. Our Christmas tree. Walk down the pathways through here. Okay, so whoa, sliding down the path. Quick look that way. Quick look back that way. Path. Here's snowbanks. So it's been putting down squalls that easily can put an inch down in 20 minutes, which is what's happened a few times today. So I don't know. It's very hard to tell, but I'm guessing that we'll get at least 1.5 feet, 20 inches with drifts easily 3 and 4 feet high. But seems like it's ending. Let's hope so.